Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Google and Google Bookmark Bar. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where the Bookmark Bar is and talk to you a little bit about what I have here. Across the top you'll see that I have different types of bookmarks for different things. The first thing I have is a teacher that I work with has what she's called Portal. It's a site that they can go in and they can put anything they want the kids to go in and work on and maybe do some studying on or even play a few games. The next one is Google Classroom. That's something that we use a lot at work. We have a science one, a social studies one, ELA, SPED one. So these are different things that you can save right up there that you work with all the time. The next one is my own personal work account, and you click on that and it takes me right to my email. The next one is for the class that I'm currently taking, and it takes me to like things that I've saved for that. I have a practice classroom. I'm not sure if you can see it too well on the side here. I'll move it over just a tad so you can see that I have a practice classroom, and then I can open that there, and it's a classroom that I can go in and put things that my instructors asked me to put in there. The next one is tutorials and help. These are different little things that I've saved that I found is helpful. Here we have like bit.ly URL shortener. You go there and you put in a URL and you shorten it, and then you can put it back up on the bar if you need to, and it doesn't take up as much room on your bar. Here I have like an easy CBM. It's something we use with students to assess. I have my district self-serve site. This is where I can go to request time off or any other things that I need to discuss with the district and the district administrators at the central office. And this one here is my personal one. I have my credit union. I have the current homestead village at Fields Pond, someplace I was interested in going. I have all places in Maine. It's a fun little site that I like to look at. It has all the things in Maine that I just kind of like oddities. This is a place where I've been looking at tickets. Thinking about buying my husband some tickets for his birthday to go to a concert. Here we have Young Living Essential Oils, something else that I'm interested in. So if we go over here where it says other bookmarks, these are some that I have that I don't keep on the bar but I use all the time. These ones down here are my DDCs and my daily data recording that I do for the district or my students. So I don't put those usually up on my bar. I kind of keep those kind of hidden down in here. And Pinterest, and a few of those other little things that, you don't go to as often or you'd rather keep hidden. I have an autism module and an exceptional child module. So these are just some of the things that I have on my bookmark bar. So now I want to show you how to add a bookmark of your own. If you go to a site that you want to save, and I have one up here that already for you, it's Maine History Facts. We do a separate class where I work just on Maine history. So you would find the site that you want. Could be any one of these. And trivia one, and then you go over here to where the star is. Click on the star, and then the name Maine State Facts comes up, and underneath that you'll see a place where it says folder, and I have like personal, tutorials, EDE 326, fast quiz, autism, and then I have other bookmarks. So we could click on other bookmarks, and we could put it there and click done. And when we go to our other bookmarks, if we look, whoops, there it is. Right there is our Maine State Facts. So if I close out of that, I go back to the other bookmarks and I click on it, I can show you that it's right where we left off at the Maine State bookmarkbar.com. Something else I'd like to show you is how to save a URL to this toolbar. And let's see, I have a tutorial here and a help bar thing, and it tells you how to shorten a URL. I believe I just lost it, so we'll go back to our bookmark, and we'll go back to state facts, and there it is. We want to highlight that, and I'm going to Control C to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my bookmark bar where I opened my bit.ly shorten, and I Control V, and I put it in there, and it automatically shortens my URL. And it says I can copy it, and I can almost also drag it right up here and place it on my toolbar. Whoop. Let's see, did I get it where I wanted? Okay, let's try that again, because I don't get one in between. Right. Oh, yep, there it is right there where it says copy. I want to see if we can go back to that. If it will let us. Let me see. We'll close out of that. So you can see it if it comes up. And nope, it didn't work. Oops, I was wrong. It is right here. If we look right up here, it's there. It is right there. And there's our link right back to the 50states.com. One more thing I'd like to show you is how to organize some of your bookmarks. If you go up here to these couple little arrows and you click on that, here are all the different things that I have bookmarked. So here's my April daily data collection. And as you can see, I have them all organized up above, and this is a new one I just started this week. So I can drag that right up and put it right there. Whoops, it should be right there. Okay, and there it is, right there. And I haven't moved March up yet, so I'm going to do that and take that right in between February and April. And that gives me all of my daily data collection set up in order, so it's easy to find, not only for me, but my special ed director. She can go in and look at that, because everything that I've done on that I've shared with her, so she can go right in and find those just as easily. Before I go, there's one more thing I want to say, is if you go in and you decide to delete a bookmark, doesn't matter what bookmark you choose, but if you go in and you decide to delete one, you right click and you go in and you delete it, you can't get it back. So I think that's an important thing to know. So I hope this has been a little bit helpful. And if you have any questions about Google Toolbar, they have some wonderful sites online that have tutorials that will take you right through step by step. So thank you for listening and enjoy your day.